Annie, mommy is cooking. Can you play by yourself? How do you say this in Vietnamese? Annie, mẹ đang nấu cơm. Con tự chơi được không? First, you use a simple phrase to describe what you are doing. I am, mẹ đang, it means I'm doing something at the moment. For example, you are cooking. Mẹ đang nấu cơm. And the second sentence is, can you play by yourself? Which is, con tự chơi được không? Can you play by yourself? Now put both of them together. Annie, mẹ đang nấu cơm. Con tự chơi được không? Now your turn. Follow for more.